Two insurance giants go head-to-head, but when it comes to protecting what matters most, who truly stands out? On one side, State Farm, America's longtime favorite for coverage and customer service. On the other, Erie Insurance, the regional powerhouse known for competitive rates and personal touch. Let's set aside the commercials and slogans and dig into what really matters. We'll rate each category so you can clearly see which insurer wins on price, claims, and more. The winner might just surprise you. Alright, so here's the game plan. Hear what we're comparing: price, coverage options, customer service, financial strength, and of course where they're actually available. We want the full picture, right? First up, price. Okay, with State Farm you get a long list of discounts. Like, seriously, do you want to bundle everything? Because you totally can. But I gotta say, depending on where you live, their rates can creep up and your credit score actually matters here, which is kind of annoying. Now with Erie, the premiums are usually just lower, period. Plus, you can lock in your rate. How cool is that? The catch? Erie, well, doesn't cover the whole country, but if you can get them, wow, the price is hard to beat. Erie just takes this one. On to coverage options. State Farm, massive menu, all sorts of products, and their add-ons like rideshare and rental coverage are genuinely solid. But sometimes there's almost too much, like you're flipping through a catalog and you're just lost. Erie's coverage? Okay, hear me out. They've got these quirky features like a diminishing deductible and, again, that rate lock thing. Their auto coverage especially is next level. They don't have as many specialty things if you need something super niche, but their basics are honestly better. I think Erie edges out here too. Now let's talk about customer service. State Farm is huge, tons of agents everywhere, and their mobile app is surprisingly good if you hate waiting on hold. But reviews are kind of mixed. You get some folks raving and others not so much. With Erie though, it's like this local, small-town attention but with top satisfaction scores across the board. Everybody just seems, well, happier with Erie. The downside? If you live outside their main areas, finding an agent can get tricky. Still, no question here, Erie wins on service. Oh, and here's something cool you probably didn't know. Erie started way back in 1925 and they only had $30,000 in capital. Imagine turning that into the company they are today. Pretty wild, right? Financial strength? Oh boy, this one's interesting. State Farm is massive, like they've got the highest AM Best rating and that nationwide household name security. You can't really top that stability. Downsides? Maybe you feel a bit lost in the shuffle because they're so huge. Erie is strong for their regions, and I mean they've been around 90+ years, but let's be real, they're just not at State Farm's level when it comes to reserves and national reach. State Farm pulls ahead here. Finally, availability. This one is super straightforward. State Farm's literally everywhere, all 50 states, far and wide, no problem. Erie, meanwhile, is rock solid in the Mid-Atlantic and Midwest, but if you're out west or down south, yeah, you're out of luck. So for availability, it's definitely State Farm. So if you charted this out, you'll see Erie absolutely dominates in price, customer service, and coverage features, but State Farm takes the crown with financial strength and national reach. To wrap it up, here's the bottom line. If you're looking for reliable, all-around coverage anywhere in the US, State Farm is just the safer bet. But you know what? If you're in Erie's area and want the better experience and lower price, Erie is a seriously strong contender. If this saved you time and you want more honest insurance head-to-heads, make sure to follow.